Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, let's read alphabet chart. A apple. B bag. C carrot. D duck. E egg. F fish. G girl. H house. I igloo. J juice. K kangaroo. L leaf. M moon. N nest. O octopus. P pencil. Q queen. R rabbit. S sparrow. T tiger. U umbrella. V van. W watermelon. X box. Y yogurt. Z zebra. See you in the next lesson.